I'm headed on a little weekend trip. I'm gonna meet Amanda and her husband in Houston for the weekend. I have to drive 2 hours to the airport and then it's an hour flight there. So let's head out. After circling the parking garage for about 20 minutes, I finally found a spot, thank God. I think it's just really busy because it's Labor Day weekend. I'm here like an hour and a half before we board, so we probably have time to grab some food. Times like this, I am so glad I have TSA pre-check. Airport is at my house. I really wanted to get Chick-fil-A, but it's at the total opposite side of the terminal, and I really did not want to risk that. So I'm just gonna eat a protein bar, and we'll be fine. It's for Loren, right? Yes, thank you. I see Amanda. Hi! I'm so sweaty. It's so hot. Sorry. So hungry and me too. Okay, this is where we're eating lunch. They ordered some apps. These look so good. Food was 10 out of 10. We're ready for a good weekend. We are in Houston for the weekend to eat lots of yummy food and just enjoy the city. So come spend the day with us. Okay, first stop, we're having breakfast at Weirdo, which is like the best Lebanese bakery in Houston, and I am so excited. What are we getting, guys?
Cheese and za'atar, sujuk and cheese.
We got a little orange juice. We've got a whole spread. Oh, this looks so good. So freaking good. We just finished up brunch. It was so delicious. 10 out of 10. And we're very stuffed and happy. We dropped Mohammed off with his friends, and me and Amanda are gonna go have some girl time. We're gonna grab coffee and then head to the mall. Lip combo with Charlotte Tilbury Iconic Nude, and then the Summer Fridays Iced Coffee Lip Butter Balm. We're here at Bluestone Lane. Amanda had to redo her pants after the restaurant. A little chocolate chip cookie. Is it good? She's not sure.
There's no vanilla in it.
Oh no.
Suspect is cute as bye-bye. Like, ooh, it's not that complicated.
We came to the Galleria to do a little shopping, and the first stop is Aritzia. Here it is. Aritzia was a little bit of a flop. We're gonna go into Open Four. We went to this store called Open Four, and they actually have some really cute pieces, so we're gonna try them on. Bag secured. We went back to the hotel and changed before dinner, and now we're on our way to this Persian restaurant called Rumi's, and I cannot stop talking about it because it is so delicious. I am so excited for them to try it. Thank you. Ooh, that's delicious. So good. I always come to Dallas for my beauty appointments, so I just got my hair cut and now I'm gonna go get a Russian manicure. It's been about a month, so it's definitely time for a refresh. I absolutely loved my last Russian manicure. I feel like I can't go back now. My mom is here with me today, so we're gonna go get our nails done together. We're eating some lunch in the car before our appointment, and this is a chicken bowl from Flower Child. It is so delicious. I make TikToks.
Oh, okay.
So I wanted to film this. Okay, my nails turned out so good. I'm always impressed at like how amazing the cuticles look, but I just did a really natural pink and I think they look amazing. My mom just did a naked manicure and hers look really good too. But this is your sign. If you have not started getting Russian manicures, you definitely should try it out. Love you guys. I'm headed to New York on a little girls trip for a few days. This group of girls are the people I grew up with, and this is actually our first time going on a girls trip outside of Texas, so we're really excited. Let's pack. A little stressed because we don't exactly know what we're doing, so I'm kind of blindly packing, but I feel like these outfits will kind of work for anything. We're going for 4 nights, so I'm bringing 2 pairs of pajamas. Might be a little bit extra, but I'm also bringing my bathrobe. For shoes, I'm just bringing ballet flats and sambas, and I'm gonna wear these on the plane. I still have all my makeup packed from last weekend, so we're just gonna zip her up. Jewelry is going in here. Okay, that's it for now. I'm just gonna throw my toiletries in the morning. Okay, now for my airplane bag. This is a bag of pretty much all lip products. These are my mini toiletries that I keep with me on every single flight. Jewelry, my purses, chargers and electronics, headphones and AirPods, last my wallet and a claw clip. And I think that's pretty much it. I will see you guys in the morning. Bye. Good morning, it is travel day. Let's go to New York. Look what I'm so excited. We stopped and got some drinks. I got a hot water and I'm just gonna add my own tea bag, and Mara's making fun of me. We have about a 2-hour drive to Dallas. We're gonna go get our friend Yasmin and head to the airport. Okay, we got the girlies. We're in the Uber and on the way to the airport. If you don't have TSA pre-check, then what are you doing? Have some time, so we're picking up some Chick-fil-A. We changed our seats, so now we're all next to each other and we're so excited. Let's go. It's so weird not having a roller bag. I feel like I'm missing something. Randos. We're taking a little bathroom break, and I think we have about an hour left on the flight. It's actually going by pretty fast. So this is my first time seeing a window in an airplane bathroom. It's actually kind of cool. And just like that, we made it. We're waiting on our Uber, but we need food ASAP. Layla is the cutest person ever. She baked us some cookies. She has the most beautiful view from her balcony, and we're ready for a good week. Bye. Me and my friends are in New York for a few days, having a little girls trip, so come spend the day with us. We're going to grab coffee, but on the way is Bon Bon, the viral Swedish candy shop. Okay, here we are. Me and Yasmin are both obsessed with sour candy.
This is dangerous, you guys. Like, dangerous.
Every time I've come, they've been out of bud, and I'm so disappointed because I really want to try them. Bag is secured. It's one of my favorite coffee shops in New York. Heavy door, oh my god. We somehow managed to get a table, so the girlies are all set. Can I do an orange juice and then a mint hot tea as well? Is it peppermint? Yeah. Okay, perfect.
I mean, a cream iced latte.
It's mine, thank you.
And peppermint teas.
Phone eats first.
Of course, it's fucking yells at me.
I'm so obsessed with orange juice lately. We're going to eat lunch at Din Tai Fung. Layla made this reservation so long ago, and it's the only place that I wanted to go while we were here, so we're so excited. We made it! We're filling out our order sheet. We're ordering like everything on the menu. First up is the cucumber salad. Wait, how do you do it? Dip it first. Dip it first. Okay. Wait, did you put the whole thing in your mouth or what? This is the definition of girlhood. We finished eating at Din Tai Fung and it was so good. Definitely worth trying. We came to Central Park to walk off some of that food because we ate a lot and it is so beautiful. Wait, my nail massage? We're grabbing a little slice of pizza from this place that was apparently voted best pizza in America. This looks insane. Burrata and then a margarita with a side of hot honey.
Why do we all like hot honey? Some people are weirded out.
Amazing.
It's good. People try it.
We're trying their olive oil gelato.
Good, right?
Amazing.
Okay.
Woo! We all know New York City has the best food, so come spend the day with us and I'm going to show you guys everything we eat today. We're having brunch at this French restaurant called Raff's. I ate here last time and it was so good. Everyone is hungry and needs coffee, so we're not functioning yet. Thank you. I got the soft scrambled eggs. It comes with a little salad and some toast. We all got the same thing. Oh, I love a crunchy bread.
This is honey.
We all got drinks from this place called Cafe Lyra. Ladies, how are the coffees?
So
Good. We got a sage hot tea with honey and it's so good. We ended up skipping lunch because we went to see a Broadway show and now it's like 10 p.m. We're starving for dinner, so we're gonna go grab something to eat. We've been wanting to get cookies from Levain and it's actually on our way to the restaurant, so we're gonna stop and grab those first. Okay, yum. I think I'm gonna get just a regular chocolate chip. Yasmin is trying the chocolate chip. That looks so good.
yummy. It's amazing.
This is where we're eating dinner. It's a Greek restaurant called Kiki's. Greek salad and some dip.
So good.
Lamb chops, some fries, a little dip. We got a spanakopita and some potatoes. It was so hard for me to get out of bed this morning, but let's spend the morning together. We're going to Pilates. I'm sorry I look like a raccoon. I feel like I scared you guys. I have to leave in 10 minutes. Let's see if we can do it. I don't actually have time to make my bed, but we're gonna do it anyways. Whenever I have an early morning workout, I always lay out my workout clothes the night before. I'm down to like the very last bit of this deodorant. I've been wearing Glossy AU as like my gym perfume. It's very fresh and subtle. I wore a sweatshirt because I thought it was gonna be cold outside and it's literally 85 degrees, so fall is not here yet. I also haven't done Pilates in like 2 weeks, so wish me luck. You guys, the studio I go to is literally the central of hot Pilates moms. They're all decked out in their Lululemon, driving their Range Rover. I'm like, wow, goals. I need to rush home because I have a meeting in an hour and I need to shower and eat some breakfast before then. I just changed into a comfy lounge set for now and we'll put on some real clothes later. So me and my sisters are actually wanting to plan a fall trip. We haven't done a trip, just the three of us, in so long. Obviously Texas does not really get a real fall, so we just want to go somewhere where we can experience the fall foliage. We want to go to like an apple orchard and wear cute fall outfits. So if you guys have any recommendations, please let me know. We're just feeling like we need some good quality sister time. I'm on the very last bit of my Crown Affair leave-in conditioner. I think this is like my 4th bottle. Okay, I'm gonna go see if I can make a quick piece of avocado toast before my meeting starts.